Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Mercedes-Benz C180. Let's head up to the right side and open the tank cover. Good job. Now remove the cover by rotating it clockwise and store it at this position. Now let's grab the Ultimate 102 pistol and let's get some petrol inside your tank by pulling the trigger. You are able to lock the trigger for a long time. Fill up procedure, but we only need to press a little bit until the tank is full. Now the tank is full. Good. Extract the tanking pistol, the petrol pistol, as you can see, and dock it back in position. The Ultimate 102 is the same petrol like in Formula 1 car. Yeah, nice. And its compatibility with your Mercedes-Benz C180. Now reinstall the cover and push back the cover in position. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.